Hey everybody, Ross Givens here. I'm going to tell you about a stock I just recommended that is reporting earnings in a couple of days, seeing heavy insider buying. I'm also recommending a dollar call option to go along with this that could see a gain of several 100%. Now, if you watched my video last week, I told you about this stock. One, insiders were buying as it headed into earnings. I noticed it was heading on a breakout here on a technical basis. We also had heavy insider buying. The company's reporting earnings in a couple of days. Sure enough, the company came out and beat. The company was Invesco, IVC. It topped Q3 earnings estimates. The stock is now several dollars higher than where it was in this chart, and our options are now up 150% and counting in a very short window of time. So what about the stock I'm talking about now? Well, here it is. As you can see here, the stock is in what's known as a compression range, meaning volatility is shrinking and shrinking. It's getting in a tighter and tighter range. And what happens is it's almost like a snake when it gets coiled up until a big move happens and you see this explosive move out of these tight ranges. And you can see that there on the volume profile. See how all that the meat of the trading is right here between about $18 and $19. And all it's waiting for is that one catalyst to propel the stock and run it to new highs that breaks out of this range. I think we're going to see that with earnings coming up. Here's why. Two insiders just bought this stock. One is a member of the board of directors. The other is the company's senior vice president. But here's the exciting thing. These two insider buys, these are two of only three insider buys that have happened since the company went public in 2012. That's right. For the entire 8 years, only 3 times have insiders ever bought this stock, and 2 of them happened in the last couple of weeks. So odds are very strong this company could beat earnings. And as you can see here on the chart, just a move back to pre-COVID prices would represent a move of about 60% to the upside, and all it would take is that one good earnings report that we could see any day. So if you want to learn more about this stock, look, I've been telling you guys about these. They keep winning. I told you about how we made several 100% on Matador stock. We did the same thing with LQDT. We did the same thing with IVZ. This is going to be likely another big winner, and I don't want you guys to keep missing. I want you to see the power of following these insider trades, of using their inside information to get on the right side of these stocks and get in before this news becomes public. So click the link below, watch the on-demand trading video, learn the ins and outs of my insider trading methodology. I want you to become a member of the Insider Report. I want you to see the power of following this methodology, and I want you to become a successful and profitable stock trader.